Oh my god, what have I built? Hi guys, it's Liam again, and today we will be going deep in the bush to create our new and improved mountain bike trail. If you watched our old video of this trail, it was kinda trash. So here we go again, rebuilding it. Our first gap is 4 meters long, situated straight after our rock/root garden. The second jump will be slightly longer at 6 meters, landing in a sort of downslope. Oh my god. Guys, holy crap. Got a little damage on there, but I think we're right. Oh, holy crap. I pedaled into that garden bit and just flew just then. Oh my god, I didn't even touch the landing. Oh, what have I built? Alright guys, let's get a swim on the landing now.